look at her roll. There she flies, eating that coal. Watch her fly, she's a hooking the rail. Dallas bound, 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 if I ball mail. Well, the train of love is a-comin', big black wheels are a-hummin'. Well, here and there and everywhere, happy hearts are humming. Train man, tell me, baby, ain't you got my baby? Well, every so often everybody's baby gets the urge to roam. But everybody, baby, but mine's coming home. Hand me down my walking cane. Hand me down my walking cane. Hand me down my walking cane. I'm gonna leave on the midnight train. Ain't gonna worry this way no more. He was going down the grade doing 90 miles an hour when the whistle broke into a scream. He was found in the wreck with his hand on the throttle and scalded to death by the steam. Hey, look yonder coming down that railroad track. Hey, look yonder coming, honey, she's coming down that railroad track. It's that orange blossom special bringing my baby back. From the great Atlantic Ocean to the wide Pacific shore, to the queen of flowing mountain by the south built by the shore. Hear the mighty rush of the engine, hear that lonesome hobo's fall. No changes can be taken on the Wabash Cannonball. Take that night train to Memphis, take that night train to Memphis. Tell the engineer to pull the throttle open. Leave at 3:57 and arrive at 11. And I'll be waiting and hoping. Hallelujah, hallelujah, oh, we shout hallelujah all the way. And we'll have a jubilee down in Memphis, Tennessee. And we'll shout hallelujah all the way. From the great Atlantic Ocean to the wide Pacific shore, to the queen of flowing mountain by the south built by the shore. Hear the mighty rush of the engine, hear that lonesome hobo's fall. We're riding through to Dixie on the Wabash Cannonball. Our eastern states are dandy, so the people always say. From New York to St. Louis and Chicago, by the way. From the hills of Minnesota where the rippling waters fall, no changes can be taken on the Wabash Cannonball. Well, listen to the jingle, the rumble and the roar, as she glides along the woodland by the hills and by the shore. Hear the mighty rush of the engine, hear that lonesome hobo's squall. We're traveling through the jungle on the Wabash Cannonball. She rolled into Birmingham one cold December day. As she pulled into the station, you could hear all the people say, "There's a gal out there from Texas. She's long and she's tall. She's the combination of the Wabash Cannonball." Will you listen to the jingle, the rumble and the roar, as she glides along the woodland by the hills and by the shore? Hear the mighty rush of the engine, hear that lonesome hobo's squall. We're traveling through to Dixie on the Wabash Cannonball. Well, here's to Daddy Claxton, may his name forever stand and always be remembered throughout this great land. His earthly race is over and we'll bear him to a draw, and we'll carry him up to heaven on the Wabash Cannonball. Will you listen to the jingle, the rumble and the roar, as she glides along the woodland by the hills and by the shore? Hear the mighty rush of the engine, hear that lonesome hobo's call. We're traveling through to Dixie on the Wabash Cannonball.